latest push to resume the local Premier Football League, I was thinking about it. And with the complications surrounding the restart of football, it dawned on me that there are actually some sports that can realistically and relatively safely be played in Jamaica right now. I think cricket at the club level, as well as local lawn tennis and golf. These three sports can be played in Jamaica with limited risk of the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Now, first of all, very little, if any, spectators watch these sports in Jamaica. So the need to lock spectators out of the venues would be almost non-existent because there are no spectators anyway. Next thing, these sports are non-contact sports. Personal contact in cricket is limited to accidental collisions, which hardly ever happens. Same for tennis. The players are 25 meters apart at the opposite ends of the court. And even more so for golf. It's all about a man or a woman with their golf club roaming the open land. Yes. All would, of course, be guided by the regular safety protocols. No personal interactions, no touching, no group celebrations, social distancing, and sanitizing the entire works. Look, if we're looking to seriously restart sports in Jamaica, let us start with cricket, golf, and tennis, all without the COVID menace.